Can you dig it?
Alright, today we're going to be installing some awesome Ragnar Squad stickers that I had made by Vistaprint. Did a pretty good job. I was hoping it would be cut around the circle, but that's okay. This is going to make it way easier to mount. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to clean the doors off real good with alcohol. Then we're going to measure our placement. Be right back. Alright, so this placement's going to be much easier than expected. I always use the natural lines on the vehicle, such as this one right here. This line here. This here. I think that's going to look pretty great. So what I've done is I made a hinge with some masking tape up here. And what we're going to do, we're going to use our squeegees. We're going to peel the backer off, squeegee it all the way down, make sure we got a nice solid look, no bubbles. Let's do this. Okay, so we're going to hinge it back, peel our backer. Hope you can see that okay. Okay, so we got our backer loose. Now I'm just going to take my squeegee, kind of work it. Starting at the top, go back and forth about 1/2 inch at a time, making sure we have no bubbles. Now this vinyl here is laminated, so it's a little bit thicker, a lot easier to control than unlaminated, and it has a 10-year lifespan, which is nice for a vehicle. It's going along nicely. As you can see, don't have any bubbles. Nice and smooth. And if you do get bubbles, this vinyl is very easy to pull up. And if you get a wrinkle in it, you just hit it with a heat gun or maybe torch. Just don't get it too close and it'll just smooth right out. It's amazing stuff. Does require a little bit of patience. As long as you just go slow, about 1/4 inch at a time or so, it'll go just right. Okay, we're looking pretty good. No bubbles. Now, if you don't have a squeegee at home, been many times where I've used a credit card now. I prefer the soft squeegee over the hard one, but sometimes if you're forming around corners or something like that, you're going to want to use this one. I think we'll call the Jeepster RS3, Ragnar Squad 3. Just in case the creators of Ragnar would like to put these on their vehicle, they would be RS1, which would be Chris, RS2 would be Wes. Pretty exciting. They are actually flying up from Los Angeles. Well, Wes is going to drive. And we're going to do a interview with the creators of Ragnar, Last Bastion Studios. It's going to be so awesome. We're going to have a great time. I'm going to take them rockhounding. It's going to be good. Got a lot of questions prepared for him, so you're going to learn about the origin of this guy right here. A little over halfway. To the very end here. As you can see, not completely perfect, but I also didn't know if that cut was totally square. But I think it looks great. We could take our tape off. Look at that. There you have it. Ragnar Squad. Alright, I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other side and then put up some pictures for you. Alright, there's the passenger side. Looks great, no bubbles. Let's check out the driver's side. There it is. Super cool. Well, if you ever see the Ragnar Squad mobile RS3 out on the road or out rockhounding, give me a wave. Say what's up. Come rockhound with me. Alright, see you in the next one.